Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here, Weeby Autos. Today we have the sickest truck ever. I've been doing this for 30 years. I have never seen one. Got Charlie here, so tell us a little bit about it. Hey Charlie.
How you doing? So you guys are looking at what is a custom four-door 1960 Chevy C20.
Wow. And it came right out of the box in a crew?
So the story is that it came, you could talk to the factory, you could talk to General Motors back in 1960. Most of the time it was a railroad company or someone who really needed the extra crew for their workers.
Sure.
They would outsource it to a coach company, bring it back to GM, and you could buy it. They were very rare, few and far in between. They're mostly rotted out.
Sure. They used them to death for work, right?
Right, exactly. This one came from Texas, whoever built it, and just went soup to nuts. I mean, we could start with the list, you know.
Yeah, sure.
6.0 Vortec.
Wow, great motor.
Yeah, the 4L60E electronic trans. Air ride. Right now it's sitting at its lowest setting, so it's not a crazy air ride, but it's nice. The Accuair, you know, handheld.
Oh, that's the handheld with the remote.
Exactly.
The new one.
You'll see it in the dash.
Cool.
Custom interior, gorgeous interior. Air conditioning, front and rear.
Wow.
Power windows, which you're talking about 4 doors custom with power windows.
Crazy.
Wilwood disc brakes all around. Intro wheels. I think those are they're 18-inch.
Nice big lip on those too.
Nice big lip in the rear.
Yeah. Killer.
Oak bed.
Yep, all lacquered in too. It's stainless runners. It's all stainless hardware too.
All stainless.
Man, check this latch out. I mean, they really went nuts, right?
Right. No handle on the outside.
Gives it a real clean look. It's almost too nice to drive.
You know what? That's it.
Is that it?
I can't drive it to work. I love the old stuff. It's too nice.
It is too nice.
But she drives like an everyday new truck with the 6.0 Vortec and the trans and Overdrive. It's beautiful.
And then the short Fleetside bed. God.
Yeah.
Was it born that way? Or custom? I don't know.
I don't know. That is a short bed. It's not the long bed, so it's easy to get in and out of spots.
Sure.
I was going to do the trim,
which is here.
Which is there. That's part of the trim. I just want
it's like about half of it.
Right. That's about half of it. In between 60 and 66, the trim meets up on the bottom portion of the door with the bed.
Yeah.
And there's usually a color in between that.
Yeah.
If someone's interested, I was going to do gold, but it may not be everyone's cup of tea.
Sure. I think gold would look great. Or red, maybe too striking.
Or nothing, just the trim.
Or nothing, just the trim.
Or no trim.
But it kind of needs, I mean, it's so big.
Yeah.
Then it kind of needs something to break it up.
I thought so.
You know?
So I have it all. I can install it, or whoever can.
You know, let them install it. Man, what a truck though. You go to car shows and people are, what the?
They can't
they don't even know what it is. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's beautiful too, especially in black. God.
Yeah.
That's the hardest color to do. It is fantastic. Brand new. How many miles are on the resto?
1,600 miles.
Oof. Would look pretty cool with the trim, with like a different color and the red, and then maybe match it up with in this centerpiece here.
Yeah, you could go crazy.
You know, we'll let them do it.
Exactly.
Open canvas, guys. Man, gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Love how it almost has like a visor going on in the front too, you know?
Yeah. Just definitely not aerodynamic. It's a block.
Yeah.
It's a brick.
It's cool. Custom cab. Man, it's beautiful. Definitely cost them a pretty penny to do this thing. 2,000 hours, right?
I don't even know. I mean, the bodywork, right?
The bodywork alone.
Yeah.
We got headers leading to what? Flowmasters?
Yes.
And I love those square tips too.
Those are cool, right?
Really cool. Man, super straight body too. Jeez, bro. It's beautiful. Almost too nice to drive. Oh, it's awesome. I loved how they smooth the bed too. The top rail, you know, there's normally, you know, square notches for a rack or whatever,
right.
You know.
Right.
Smoked windows. They look like factory smoke, not even a tint.
Yeah, it looks good.
Looks really good.
Check out that dash. Isn't that gorgeous?
Oh my god. That's sick.
It almost looks like those gauges could be factory.
Yeah, the classic instruments. I like how they nestled it in the billet too. I normally don't like billet, but it freaking works. And there it is. Level comfort. This is your air ride?
That's your air ride. So you've got your whole different settings, and then you've got your up and down, and you know, you play with it. Yeah.
Yeah, and then you can memorize what 3 settings, I suppose.
Yes.
Very cool.
I have all the manuals and everything for it.
Awesome. Awesome.
AC blows ice cold. The heat works great.
Killer stereo too. All Bluetooth. Really like how they did the door panels and everything too. You know?
Yeah.
It looks like these are like Denali seats or Suburban seats. You know, really comfortable, full power, plenty of room for a tall guy. You're tall, what, 6'2"?
6'3".
6'3".
Yeah.
You fit nice in here too, huh?
Perfect.
Beautiful.
That was the thing. So a lot of tall guys will appreciate the fact that you've got, even if you don't want anyone in the back seat.
Yeah, you have room to go back.
You got room to go back.
You know
that's
the problem. A huge deal. The classic car guys, they're stuck behind in a regular cab.
Yeah, these were small back then.
Nowhere to go.
Tiny back then.
Yep, I agree. Right down to the sills. Custom door panels, JL speakers in there probably.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah. Man, fantastic. Yeah, these are from a Suburban or a Tahoe or something.
Right.
Definitely a late model. It looks like a modern truck in here.
Yeah.
Man, fantastic. And rear air. You got rear air here, 2 12-volt outlets. And you got the air coming out in the corners up there.
Yeah. They didn't cut any corners.
They really didn't. Nice armrest, cup holders.
And where do you get a 1960 truck with power windows even in the back seat? How cool is that?
Amazing. And again, the windows are smoked. No film that's gonna break or clog or scratch. Yeah, beautiful. Right down to the rear view mirror.
Let me just flip this up. I think there's a 70 here. Kind of cool.
Oh, cool. Yeah, JL audio. So I'm sure they went with JL all over.
Yeah.
Man, this thing's sick. Definitely one of a kind. And all stainless steel fittings everywhere. You notice that stuff right off the bat. I mean, everywhere is stainless. All brand new rubbers and everything. Just check out under the hood.
She is.
Wow, 6.0, huh?
6.0.
Looks brand new, like a crate motor. It's not like pulled from anything.
No.
You can tell how new it is.
Aluminum heads.
Yep.
Headers.
Probably 400 and change horse, 430.
She moves.
Moves, right?
Man, yeah.
Love how clean the firewall is and everything. Stainless steel headers. They're shorties, which I like. Keeps it cool.
Yep.
Man, it's quiet as a mouse up here too.
Runs like a brand new truck.
Nice big aluminum radiator. And again, all the stainless fittings. Beautifully smooth, the inner fenders. Tucked in nice. It almost looks like it was built this way. I guess that's the point, right? You got $1 million, to open checkbook to build whatever the hell you want. This is what you get.
I like the AC, nice and clean.
Right, isn't that clean in there?
Yeah.
So pretty. You could literally daily this. And they did the sound deadening under the hood.
Right.
Man, beautiful. Nice as it gets. Man, stainless hardware everywhere. I like how they hid, they hid the wires and everything.
They did. Nice and neat.
Beautiful.
The way it should be.
Exactly. Is it sitting on the original frame, or?
Say it again?
Is it sitting on the original frame?
That, I don't know.
So spacious in here. Right? Smells like a new truck. Oh, I like how they snuck a little 12-volt outlet here.
Right, same on the other driver's side has one.
Oh,
And they all work.
very neat. Love those Classic Industries gauges. It looks like they belong,
Love it.
It's
That
fantastic.
sold me on the truck.
I'll take it.
I don't like all the new, yeah. It's classic, but it's modern. It's
Yeah.
beautiful, if you ask me.
Those are all digital too through those guys. They're really good company. Oh, and you got the cigarette lighter there and everything. So awesome, bro. This whole truck is like jewelry. And they even used an Allen key fitting down here,
Right.
Very nicely done. This is what you call an open checkbook build. So awesome. I love how the doors are so heavy too. They just don't
love
have
that.
cars like this anymore. Love the flush mounted gas cap too.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
Really cool. They really took their time doing this truck.
Mm-hmm.
Killer. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Charlie, thank you so much for showing us your truck. It's pretty fantastic. I
Anytime.
don't think you'll ever find another one, dude.
She's gorgeous.
Really gorgeous. Give us a call, 631-339-0399. And I took about 200 photos today. Check them out on our website, weebyautos.com. Thanks a lot.